What's up folks, welcome back to the garage. In this video I will tell you what tricks I did to get this working. There was few things I had to do after last video, and after that we will have a mission. We received a mystery package and I don't have any idea what's inside that package, but we will find it out together. Before I show you how this works, I just have to tell you that now there's oil to that mark. After last video I got some comments that I have too much oil inside, but now it should be right. And next I will show you how now the valves are working and there's no oil leak anymore. Now the compressor seems to work as it should, as you saw from that clip. When the pressure goes down, the compressor, the pump unit starts automatically, and when it reaches about 10 or little more than 10 bar, then the valve stops the pump unit, and you heard the pressure coming out. There's a pressure relief valve that lets the pressure come out from the pump unit after this valve is closed and the tank is full. So now I think it's worked like it should. What I did after last time, I changed the spring and the part inside this valve, and I moved this valve a little bit back and forth. So that's all what I have done, and now it seems to work okay. I'm so happy about this. I have had this tool about year or year and a half, but now I really can use it. Check this out. Yes, first one, and the second one. Yes, it goes like a dream. And I already informed to my sons that you don't have to use anymore the cross tool. I don't remember the right name in English for that, but now it's much easier to change the tires, because in Finland we have to change tires twice in a year, because we have to use the summer tires and winter tires in winter time. But now, when I started to build this garage, I planned that I would have a bigger compressor, and I planned that it would locate here. Next I have to remove the tires, but as you can see there's a place for the plug already, so I will clean this area and fit the compressor here. And next I have to figure out how should I put the pressure lines. Should I do one line in the middle of the roof, or should I have connections in every workplace and near by the table, so I can finish my porting? But if you have good tips or suggestions, I would appreciate your comments down below. Thank you very much. Next we will open the mystery package. My youngest son ordered this one and I don't have a clue what's inside. I just know that he found something, some kind of post in Instagram, and it says that even the smallest YouTube channels have a chance to do commercial cooperation, and he signed in and now we have something inside this package. I think some kind of small part or something. It's not very heavy, only about 2 or 3 kilos, so it will be very interesting to see what's inside this package. Wow, we got peanuts. Kohkai, we use the best peanuts. There's also letter, coconut cream, chili, wasabi, BBQ, coffee. Well, I don't drink coffee, but I can donate this to some of my friends. And the letter, I realized this is a Finnish company, Kohkai. We make your snacks, fun in every bite. We make your snacks, best regards, Make, Gusu and Jesse. Thanks guys, great stuff. And next I think I will taste the coconut cream and chili. I like the package, it is quite handy and someone has taken some time to figure this out. First I will taste this chili sauce flavor coated. Open the can and pop this out. Okay. Not too hot. Well, now it's coming. I think this is, yeah, not too spicy. There's some kick in here, but I like this. And next I will taste, if I can taste anything after those chili peanuts. There's a coconut cream flavor coated. I actually opened already this. And these are very easy to eat, not too spicy. These are like a light version of salt peanuts. Yeah, I like these, but I like these chili peanuts more. I'm so happy I managed to fix the compressor, because if I would buy a new one, this would cost about more than 1,000 euros. There's still a price tag on that one, so it's about 1,100 euros, the new one. And now I got it about, I got it fixed about, I used about 200 euros, so I think it was a good deal because I got the compressor for free. Well, I will keep eating these peanuts, but thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, that helps a lot, and comments down below, they help a lot also, and I appreciate them a lot. Sorry about the peanuts in my mouth. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right away, and also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.